Welcome to our tutorial on using Class Notebook in Teams. Today we're going to talk about creating a class notebook and pulling some content from a previous notebook into this new one. I'm going to go and click on the Class Notebook tab and then click on Set up a OneNote class notebook. This time, instead of starting from a blank notebook, I'm going to choose to start from an existing notebook. Here we have the usual explanation of the different spaces inside the class notebook, and I hit Next. And now I click on Add Content. I'm going to choose to add content from this notebook. I'm going to just add my language arts lessons and my math lessons. Now I hit Done. I don't want to add any teacher-only content at this time, so I'll just hit Next. I would like my student notebooks to reflect the same content as my content library. So I create their sections to be the same as mine. Then I hit Create. It takes some time for your class notebook to get ready. Even after you get the message that says your class notebook is ready, maybe not all sections have synchronized. I would wait until I received a message in the chat from the Education Class Notebook app. It's an automatic notification saying all your sections are ready, and then I would use it with my class. I hit OK to make this message go away. You can click on this arrow to open navigation and see your different sections and your students. If you're a teacher, you'll see all the students. I click back on the screen and my navigation hides itself. Instead of using it just inside Teams, I can either choose to open it in browser or open it in the app. I prefer to open it in the app, and I prefer to open it in the Windows 10 app. There are two versions of OneNote commonly installed on your computer, OneNote 2016 and OneNote for Windows 10. It's just simply labeled OneNote. I prefer to use that one. If it doesn't launch right away, you could try launching it manually. And here we have our notebook. Here's the content library. It's got my language arts lessons. It contains my math lessons. And it has a section titled Using the Content Library. I can right-click and delete that section. It just contains tips on how to use OneNote. If I had added more than just one student to my class, I would see all my students here. But for demonstration purposes, I've only added one student. So that's getting started with Class Notebook in Teams, creating a new class notebook using existing content from a previous notebook. If you'd like to know more, please check out our Continuity of Learning website with lots of videos and helpful tips, or talk to your school's tech team. You can also submit a lit request, and a member of our team will be with you shortly. Thank you for watching.